Okay, so if we're not making our own animation and little video, one of the most almost always engaging ways to add video into one of these slides is by setting a video as the background of the slide. So that's another thing. I'm going to stick with the water theme here. So what I did was I took just my simple image of my cat with the background removed and I put it on a blank slide. And now I'm going to go to elements and I'm going to start by searching for a POV video, which you can usually search for that POV standing for point of view. And so originally I was thinking, let me go with the um, swimming theme and search for one of those. I had done this in the past with with one of my clients, but I was looking here before making the video and could not find a swimming video in Canva. So here's what we're gonna do. But look how I can just find so many different videos just by, again, going to the Elements tab and typing something in and going to videos. So instead, but I know what they do for sure have is still on the water theme, is a water slide POV. So let's search for that. And then I'm going to click on videos, and then these are super fun to do. So let's just take, I don't know, that one like does not look super realistic. I'm going to take a quick one. Let's see if there's a shorter video here. Maybe. Okay. Oh, how about this one is super quick, just going down. So I'm going to click on that video. That's the one I want. And then, oh no, I can't see my cat. So here's the magic. So I've got my video. I can right click on that video and click set video as background. And there we go. I'm going to put my cat kind of right down there. And then let's just hit present and watch what happens. So now it literally looks like my cat is flying down that water slide, which is super fun. To make it even more realistic, giving it that kind of like the cat is swimming look, I can click on my cat and use that wiggle animation. So animate, and I'm going to say for the cat to wiggle. So now the cat is really going to have a blast on that slide. And here it goes. So fast to do this. There goes the cat down into the water. Okay. So we can also, so that was an example of one using one with a video that's already in Canva. Another neat thing about Canva is that there are a lot of different app integrations. I don't have it set up here on this account yet, so I'm going to take you through that. I'm going to just add YouTube as an app on here. So I go to the Apps tab and I'm going to search for YouTube. And I don't know if YouTube or YouTube embed matters. I'm going to just click on YouTube and see. Publish your Canva videos. No, that was not it. Let's try that again. So we're going to go to the Apps tab and we'll select YouTube Embed. And this is, yeah, add YouTube videos to your design. So I'm going to click open. And then, so once you do that, you'll have a little thing right down there for embedding your videos, or to go to YouTube and add YouTube into any of your slides. So I'm gonna just right click on this cat slide with the water slide and duplicate it, and I'm gonna delete that water slide background, and I've got my YouTube, got my YouTube open here, and now I'm going to look for oh, what was it? Oh, I wanted keep sticking with the water, but here's another fun one is roller coaster. Yeah, I guess why not? Totally going off the swimming topic, but roller coaster POV. And this is searching literally all of YouTube. And so these are pretty fun. Sometimes they're kind of long, but I'm going to just click this one right here. And I'm going to let my cat now go on this roller coaster. So I'm going to make this, there isn't a way, unfortunately, to right click and set that as the background, but it's pretty simple just to kind of drag it around and make it the size And then we just have to right click on that and go to layer, send it to the back, and then there's my cat, kind of really dangerously just on the track of that roller coaster. But we can present this slide now, and I can click on play. So the cat really is going to just go on this full roller coaster ride. Gosh, the cat is playing out. She makes it. Stop the video. The idea. So the cat got to go on a roller coaster. So that was adding YouTube and making YouTube look like the background.